to Earth. Do you want to come inside and have a cuppa? So, this is my house. This is the kitchen. That's a fridge. That's a washing machine. And that's a microwave. No, what are you doing? Baby doesn't belong in the microwave. You cheeky bastard. Oh, right on noggin. You're gonna get fucked in the face. You're cruising for a smacking mouth. Here, you want to see what I keep under the bed? Come here, you ugly bleeder. Oh, he's got me. Oh, he's got two hands. Oh, what do I do? I'm trapped. Oh, crap. Not it. Oh, Papadro, been looking everywhere for you. Here, you Billy Bighead. Oh, crap. Aliens tried putting baby in the microwave. Again.